Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a secret group on Facebook. But before proceeding with our today's video, please hit the subscribe button, leave a like on our video, comment and let us know your thoughts and queries, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further ado, let's start with our today's video. Log into your Facebook from any browser, and from the left hand side, go to Groups. Now click on Create New Group. Insert a name for your group. For privacy, you need to choose private so that only members can see who is in the group and what they post. After choosing the privacy, you will get an option for hiding the group. If you keep it visible, then anyone can find this group. And if you keep it hidden, means secret, then only members can find this group. Other than members, nobody can find this group. Click on Create and your secret group has been created. In the Groups About, it says it's a private group and it is hidden. Only members can find this group. And that's how you will be able to make a secret group. Share your thoughts and queries with us by commenting below. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. Hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.